Welcome to Cash Acme training videos. This is a training video for the Heat Guard Tank Booster Thermostatic Mixing Valve. This innovative valve allows water to be stored in a water heater at 140 degrees Fahrenheit, which kills Legionella but eliminates the risk of scalding, as the valve reduces the water temperature to 120 degrees Fahrenheit by mixing in cold water at the outlet of the water heater. This higher storage temperature will more than double the output capacity of a water heater. With the water to the house turned off and the water in the pipes drained, remove the hot and cold water lines from the tank along with any excess tape or sealant from the threads. Reapply plumber's tape to the hot and cold heater nipples. Make sure to deburr the hot and cold lines servicing the house. On the cold inlet side, thread the smaller brass T onto the nipple, leaving the threads on the side facing the back of the heater. Connect the filter to the valve and then thread the pair onto the hot outlet nipple, again leaving the threads on the side facing the back of the heater. Then, install the flex hose to the threads on both hot and cold sides. Now Tank Booster is installed, you can connect it to your system. We'll be using SharkBite water heater connectors for this step. Take the SharkBite flex hose with the ball valve and thread the female side onto the top of the cold water inlet T. Next, take the other flex hose and thread the female end onto the top of the mixing valve on the hot side. Make sure copper pipe is deburred and marked. Then push the ball valve flex hose securely onto the cold water supply, and then the SharkBite end of the hot side flex hose onto the hot water supply. If you're not using flexible water heater connectors, it will be necessary to put plumber's tape on the threads of the T and the mixing valve before making your final connections to the supply lines. Now the system is connected, you can turn the water back on. Turn the temperature at the heater up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Tank Booster is factory set to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. You can install a SharkBite temperature gauge or use a thermometer to check the temperature at the nearest fixture to the heater, and adjust the mixing valve if needed. You can also place the temperature strip provided in the box on the copper above the valve as a temperature reference. Remember, Tank Booster prevents Legionella and scalding, increases the usable capacity of a water heater, saves energy, saves money, and reduces our impact on the environment.